All right, so next time your dog gets into surgery and they ask you to buy a cone, they're very expensive. Well, they're going to charge you a lot of money for it. So I got this because this is memory foam. Has a cover in case you want to, get it dirty or tie it down to his collar. You can do that if he has an existing one. This is the actual whole system. We're going to put it together and we're going to see how it looks because we want to test it out because we do need to keep these because someone's going to require some surgery this week and we want to make sure we're prepared for it. So I want to make sure that everything that we see is it's going to work as it's supposed to. So we're going to put it together. All right, so the way it works, there's a couple zippers in here. Not the top one. This is where the actual memory goes, the foam. All right, so don't need to remove that one. We're going to do the other side. The other side is where you see this little thing here. It just grabs onto the actual whole zipper, and there's a zipper on here that you need to be aware that needs to be removed, and you need to marry this zipper with that zipper. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And right now, the way it works right now, it's a hidden zipper in here. You see that? We're going to marry this cone with this one. All right, and the way it works, just have to unzip the bottom part. All right, you could do it either or on this one too, and in fact we're going to do it on this one. It's much easier. So and that's it. So this part right here attaches here. You guys can see that. All right, so this is the entire cone here, and then you have this extra attachment here. All right, so right now we're gonna put it on our dog, and we're gonna see how it works, and we're gonna see if he could eat through this. All right, because that's what we want. Make sure he can eat and drink water. All right, now if you have a dog door, you're gonna have to take this off because it's a little larger for any kind of dog door. All right, so we strapped it on, and this is Toby here. Perfect size for him. He's a golden retriever, a large dog. So I brought his bowl here so I could demonstrate that he can eat through there. So look at that. So if you're looking and you're worrying that he can't drink water or eat, I just put a couple snacks in here so you guys can see that this thing is completely covering him all around him. And it's a lot larger. I like it because he's able to move around. Now, it's because it's larger, you need to be careful with any kind of furniture and stuff that you have around him. All right, and to remove it, I'm gonna show you how to remove it. Very simple. All right, to remove it, there's Velcro in here. All right, Velcro in here, and then there's Velcro right here underneath. All right, and then it's just picking it up. Yeah, he slobbered there, of course, but it's perfect. Look at this. Now, if you want to put it away, you could compress this foam back to where it was. You could take this apart. You could just have the cone by itself. You don't even need to have the actual foam too. So very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.